What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're going to be going over the first 10 things that you need to do when you get your hands on the new Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. So let's begin with the video now. Welcome to Search Tech. Our mission is to help you get the most out of your tech through reviews and tutorials. If that's something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when we release a new video. And there's going to be useful links below in the description covering everything that we discuss in this video. With that being said, let's get right into it. So first up, we're going to have Good Lock. And Good Lock is an app that can be downloaded via the Galaxy App Store, and you can customize every single aspect of your Samsung Galaxy phone with Good Lock. From the notification center to the recent apps, the lock screen to the navigation bar, and the app honestly just has it all. First, you're going to have to head over to the Galaxy App Store and download Good Lock on your Samsung device. Then open the app to find all the various customization modules that serve different purposes. For example, there is Notice Star for notifications, Lock Star for the lock screen, and Multi-Star for multi-window and multitasking. Next up, we're going to have the battery saver, and the thing is that most smartphones these days come with good battery life and last throughout the day, if not longer. However, you may face certain situations where you would want to extend the battery life of your Samsung Galaxy phone further. So if you know you're going to be away from the charger for a long time, you might want to save up some juice for emergency situations, and that's where the various power saving modes on the One UI come into picture. Samsung phones come with 3 different battery modes. You have the normal, you have the mid power saving, and the max power saving. Depending on the situation, you can switch between these modes, and to access the battery saver, you just have to head over settings, then device care, and then battery, and lastly right here you're going to select power saving. Then we're going to have the edge panels, and the edge panel was first introduced to add extra functionality to the curved edges on Samsung flagships. Since then it has made its way to several Samsung devices, and it's a great tool if you multitask a lot on your phone. It's a small translucent bar that rests on the edge of your display, and tapping on the bar reveals several options like quick shortcuts, various screenshot methods, favorite contacts, media controls, clipboards, and more. To activate it and use it, you just have to head over the settings and then display. Right here on display, you're going to see edge screen and enable the toggle next to the edge panels. Then we're going to have the dual apps, and Samsung has added a nifty feature in One UI that lets you create a cloned version of an app and use 2 versions of the same app on your device. If you have 2 SIM cards and you want to use 2 WhatsApp accounts or 2 versions of Facebook for 2 different accounts, you will be able to do it natively by following the simple steps of heading to settings. Then we're going to go to advanced features, and right here we're going to see dual messenger. Here you'll see the list of apps installed on your device that can be duplicated into a secondary app. You're going to select the app that you want a secondary version for and tap install. Then we're going to have how to change the motion smoothness. So one of the new features that comes with this device is that it actually has the 120Hz refresh rate. So the option for the 120Hz refresh rate is going to be automatically on your device, but if you would like to switch it to the standard, which means a 60Hz and get a longer battery life, you just simply have to head to your settings, and then right here you're going to go to display. Then we're going to go to motion smoothness and select the standard version. If you would like to go back to the 120Hz refresh rate, just go on high and then select apply. Now we're going to have the Bixby button, and by default the key on the side of your Galaxy phone is used to turn on the screen with a single press. While that functionality cannot be changed, you can customize the long press and double press functionality of the key. To do this, you just have to head over your settings and then go to advanced features, and right here you're going to select side key. Here you can select what function you want to assign to the power button when you double press it or long press it and hold it. Then we're going to have secure folder, and this is a feature that's quite underrated on Samsung Galaxy devices. Samsung devices have knock security, and a part of that is something known as secure folder. Enabling the option basically creates a folder on your phone that is encrypted with a PIN or a pattern that's different from the one used to unlock your device. To activate it, you just have to head over to your settings, then biometrics and security, secure folder, and then right here you'll be prompted to sign in with your Samsung account if you haven't done already, so you just can follow the steps that they tell you. Then we're gonna have customize the home screen, and the beauty of Android is that you can customize various aspects of your phone to no limits. While some customizations require additional apps like the first one that we talked about, Good Luck, you get a ton of options inbuilt, especially on Samsung devices. The home screen of your device is what you interacted when you first unlocked your device, so it's a good idea to customize it as per your liking. To do it, just tap and hold on an empty area on your home screen to bring down the home screen menu, and then tap on home screen settings. Here you can choose the home screen grid size, enable or disable notification badges on apps, and even hide your apps from the app drawer. Then we're gonna have transfer data from old phone, and Samsung gives you a nice option to migrate your data from an older phone to your new Galaxy phone. It's called Samsung Smart Switch, and the option to use it is presented to you while setting up your new Samsung device. What's cool is that by using this process, you can transfer all your existing data from your old smartphone to your new device. And this includes apps, messages, photos, videos, and more. The best part is that Smart Switch even lets you transfer your data from an iPhone to your new Galaxy phone. Then lastly, we're gonna have disable ads. So the first thing you do when you get a new phone, apart from inserting your SIM card into it, is going through the initial setup process. And this is quite straightforward as the instructions are displayed on the screen as you navigate through the entire process. However, there are a few options during setup that, if selected, may not result in an ideal experience while using the device. Like for example, accepting ads on your phone, so you want to read everything carefully when you're setting up your device. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's video. If you got some valuable information out of it, please don't forget to give it a like and also leave a comment down below on what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video, and as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.